Hey guys, welcome to my channel Only Finance and Money. Currently we are doing a video relating to how to prepare for CA IPCC examinations. In the current video we will be explaining you what should be your approach for preparing CA IPCC exams and how you can clear the exams by putting in a minimum effort and a very less time and this video, if you basically see, there is a lot of difference between CPT and IPCC. CPT is more like objective oriented and you just need to have idea of the subject, whereas in case of IPCC it differs a lot from CPT because even you are expected to express your views, so you have to write a lot of things in writing. So there is a significant difference. Hope that you note that difference at the beginning of the course itself. And then if you see, basically in IPCC subjects can be broadly classified into two types. One is problematic, the other one is theory. The problematic subjects consist of accounting, advanced accounting, financial management and costing. Theory subject consists of Companies Act, business law, ethics and communication, information technology and strategic management, auditing. While taxation has both theory and application of its theory, and even it has some things relating to problematic also. And if you see, so we will be dealing at approach on how to deal with theory subjects and problematic subjects. First let's start with what should be your approach for problematic subjects. First thing is you have to identify the weightage of various topics. If you say we have to see it based on the past attempt question papers, what's the weightage for particular topic, and then arrive at topics for which we need to put less effort and we will be getting more marks. For example, if you take a chapter has 10 pages and it gives you 10 marks based on previous attempt weightages, and there is one more chapter which gives you 10 marks but it runs into some 100 pages, then if you see the marks per page ratio of both the chapters, first chapter will be giving you 1 mark per page while the second chapter will be giving 1 mark for every 10 pages read. So if you put more efforts towards the first chapter, there are more chances of you ending up getting more marks. So by this we'll be identifying which topics to start with and which topics to be done later. And then we have to get a clear cut idea of the various concepts associated with the topic. And then while preparing for a topic, we have to identify 4 to 5 sums in the topic which represent the entire concepts associated with the topic. This plays a key role because at the time of exam we may not be having time to cover all the 100 or 50 sums whatever are present in the book. Moreover, I would like to say one thing: if you prepare 100 sums from a particular topic, you'll be ending up getting one or one model for the exam. So you should always try to be clear with your concepts when it comes to preparation for problematic subjects. And then after performing those things, you'll be getting a good knowledge over the subject. And then we have to follow it up with some good practice. You have to write some 5 mock exams under examination stimulated conditions by using past attempt question papers. And you have to observe one key thing: you have to attempt 1 mark for every 1.8 minutes of time, because most of the students will not be capable of attempting at least 90 marks in the stipulated 3 hours of time. So you should practice rigorously in order to attempt within 3 minutes. And then we should not be ignoring theory. The theory will be picked up straight away from practice manual, so you should read the entire theory questions that are present in practice manual. And this will help you in fetching at least some 8 to 10 marks, as theory will be coming in the exams for 16 to 24 marks. And this is a very easy way to get a minimal marks in problematic subjects. Whereas if you go for theory subjects, it will be always a bit straining for any student to read these theory subjects, especially IT and SM. Sometimes you'll be getting sleep when you are studying it, but you have to concentrate. You should feel like this is a test match and you should be trying to read it for as much time as possible. And then how you should approach a particular topic is, Generally you should be reading the chapter of 20 to 30 pages in say 20 to 30 minutes by quickly glancing through the various pages, and then while reading for the second time you have to read each and every line with 100% concentration, and you have to highlight certain keywords in the topic which you have gone through. And uh, these keywords, if you should be identified in such a way that if you glance through those keywords in 5 to 10 minutes, you should be capable of recapitulating the entire topic. So by the help of these keywords you can revise the subject of theory multiple times, because it just requires 5 to 10 minutes to revise the entire topic, and this will be a lot helpful in uh, getting good marks in exams. And then after obtaining a good understanding, here also you should write 3 to 5 mock exams, because we'll be committing a lot of errors when it comes to writing. Generally most of the students may not be familiar with English that much. You may be trying to convey an answer in one way and you end up uh, conveying something else in the answer, and then there will be some presentation issues. You are not presenting the answers properly in a manner which helps the valuer to correct at a quick time. So you should be, if it's a case law, you should be presenting it like facts of the case, relevant uh, section analysis as per Companies Act or Income Tax Act, and then conclusion. And if you see, we have to write answers. Sometimes we're finding it difficult to write answers in case of IT and SM. For this we need a practice rigorously. The only way to succeed in CA IPCC exams is, in case of theories, you should read multiple times, and problematic subjects is to practice. Happy reading. If you like the content of the